Hey guys, welcome back to another live stream. Today we can't video this, so we have to be live doing this. So we're gonna show you um, the severe weather outlook that is possible from today for a little while. So I'm going to be live just for a little bit, not long, not as long as I have been. So we're just going to be looking at severe weather outlook. I'll answer people's questions or anything, whoever's in the live stream. So, and make sure everything's working. Hey Dylan, welcome to the live stream. What you doing? Oh yeah, grandma's. Isn't that what you said? So though, we're so let's get started on our live stream right now. So there is right now a moderate risk. This has not been put out by the Storm Prediction Center, but this is handmade. All this is by me. Thanks. This is all handmade by me. This took me a little bit of time to make. But everything you see here, I made. I made it myself, not the Storm Prediction Center. But I put out moderate risk, but it's actually enhanced risk by Storm Prediction Center. I'm sleeping at grandma's. Hey, Grant. So, yeah, this is all handmade by me, and this took me about about hour or 2 hours to make this whole thing. So, this is took me a while, but I finally did it. So first, let's start off with the moderate risk area. All threats are in play. So damaging wind, hail, and tornadoes, all possible in that black area. And also in that moderate risk area, also could be all the threats in play. So I think every threat will be in play except flooding. I don't think that'll be a big threat, but still, I think there's a threat of damaging wind, hail, and tornadoes. All those will be the threat tonight, and then they're right in this area here. I outlined in black. All of them are. It's not on high risk, but it's on moderate risk. Almost 4 out of 5 on the scale. So, and then there's some more over here. A slight risk has put out right here. What? Brenton. What? What Grant? What? There's also a slight risk and for this area, including Tennessee, Alabama, and Kentucky. Then there's a marginal risk over here. And there's another slight risk in for Oklahoma and Texas. You are talking fast, okay? I'll try to talk slower. There's a slight risk for Oklahoma and Texas, and then so for this area over here in Kansas, I'm trying not to talk too fast. So this area. So we're gonna watch this at the main area I would watch though today. So the good thing is there's no high risk, but I put out moderate risk. And the National Weather Service put out enhanced, but I put out moderate because all the threats are in play. So let's get to the next. Yeah, I talk so fast I can't stop. Sorry, Graham. This is tomorrow's threat, including Kansas City, like I said in my streams earlier. There's a new threat coming in. I put out enhanced, but the Storm Prediction Center put out slight. So most likely there will be an enhanced area here. And then there's the threat that was over here, moves over here. So tornadoes possible in this area over here, and maybe some danger wind and hail too. So in this area, there could be a little spin up of tornadoes, but that's not going to. I think the biggest threat when the tornadoes are going to be better is going to be the day after tomorrow, not on Friday. I think that's going to be a better chance of tornadoes. Damaging wind and hail will be the main threats for Kansas City and all that. So Kansas City and all those are included in probably the slight risk, I'd say. This is my main account. Oh, didn't mean to get. Okay, let's get to our Friday. This is Friday's threat of severe weather, and there's an enhanced area right in this area. The scale's down here if you need to know where the scale is. Right down here. Oh. Okay. Alright, so, but this is going to include Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, not North Dakota, Iowa, and maybe a little Missouri. I think slight risk for Kansas City and some of those areas. Why are you putting message restricted? How did you do that, Grant? Okay, so, and now let's get to the Torcons of tonight. The Torcons are in this area here is right now a 7 out of 10 on the Torcon values right now. That's what we put on here. Over here, there's a 3 out of 10 on the Torcon. And over here in Kansas and Oklahoma, 2 on the Torcon. So there's a big risk of tornadoes possibly in this area, but not 10, though. That's good, though. This is the damaging wind threat. This is 7 out of 10 in the damaging wind threat, 3 out of 10 this area, and 4 out of 10 in that area here too. So let's go to hail threat. This is the hail threat, and there's a 8 out of 10 right in this area, 2 out of 10 in this area, and then another 2 out of 10 in this area too. So this is Future Radar, 12 a.m. The storms are about to head out almost, so that shows they're still red on here. I forgot to add the orange. Then it moves out, but there might be still, could be severe, but I don't think it'll be as severe. Then I think it will be out of here after 8 a.m. I think it'll be out of the Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi. So I think it'll be out of those places. So I have some extras, so I gotta get out of the stream. Alright, get out of this. So I gotta I have another thing. Not just, that was our PowerPoint that I made all myself. Like I said, it took me a little bit of time. Now we're gonna go to this website for more on stuff. Let's see if I can find it. What? Code dot edu or okay. I had to put that in on myself. Sorry about that. Oh, I didn't realize you used your didn't realize that, Dylan. You had first Roblox gaming, and then you used Dylan Love. I didn't know you did that. Okay, so what's going on? Okay, so the tornado index, significant tornado index, right here in this area is a little high right now. 3 out of 10 showing up here. And look at that. That is a pretty high risk. 4 or 5 showing up there in the area. June 20th, I think today is. And then it moves out. But that's not all. I think that might be. Okay, so let's go back a little bit. So there could be some in Kansas City. Wait, let's go back a little more. So there could be some in Kansas City. Hey, Dylan. I just say hey again. There could be a little bit of a tornado risk in this area showing up. Not big risk, but still a risk of maybe some tornadoes. Oh, you're back? Oh, that's left. There could be a risk of tornadoes in this area. Higher risk will be right in there, so I'll play out the tour cons tomorrow, see what they are like. And a tornado threat there. Then a little bit of one possibly right in there. Bigger risk over here. Yeah, but it's not going to be rain. It's going to be severe weather. Not supposed to rain, or it is supposed to rain, but severe weather. So the supercell potential is where it is right now. It's pretty high on the scale right here, 7 out of 10, or 7 out of 35 showing up, and there's a big supercell potential. The good thing is, there's supposed to be severe weather tomorrow. Is that what you question, or what is a supercell? Is that? And there's actually pretty high chance of oh my gosh! Later there will be a pretty high chance of a tornado possible. Right in there. Let's check it out. Check this out. And so PDS tornado. Wow. That is a particular dangerous situation tornado. Possible. Rotation could be possible with the storm. And it could get up to possibly at EF4. Possibly at EF4. It is possible. Right down here. Right down here. Look down here. Oh my gosh. Supercell. Yeesh. Wow. Get back to it. But that's not all. There will be a possible more up here. So we're gonna head to this. A weak tornado. And could be probably EF0 or EF1 in that area. Monitor. So not as big of a risk. Tornadoes in that area, but still there is a chance. It says weak tornado, so there could be a tornado. So I'd watch that area possibly. The biggest area I'd be concerned about is really this area right there. Because it showed a PDS tornado warning. That's a particular dangerous situation tornado warning. And Dylan, are you still on the live stream? Or Grant? There's a PDS possibly that area. Let's check out some other area. I guess they're no longer in the stream. I don't know. But I haven't got anything back yet, so tornado possible on this one too. Okay, you guys must not be in the stream anymore. But Supercell. Yeah, well, but a tornado is possible. So could be a tornado possible with the storm. But still, there was a PDS it showed on this spot right there. Yep, they're no longer in the stream. They would have typed back saying yeah or something like that. So it says PDS. That is a bad thing. Yeesh. Whoever lives in the areas right in Arkansas, Whoever lives in Arkansas, be in your safe place or get ready, because this is about to happen in I don't know how long, but it'll be happening soon. I don't know when, though. But I'll be staying tuned here for live coverage on the Weather Channel or any of those. Right now, I think that's like 3 hours from now. I don't know. So, but There will be, oh gosh, there will be quite a bit of chance there. Some chances of severe weather. But to get closer, is there anyone else in the stream? Trying to be ending the stream, I guess, soon. But I didn't think we'll be ending quite yet, but I want to talk more, but I guess so. Thought I'd watch this area, so thank you everyone for watching, I guess, because not really a lot of people, but I'll show you my presentation one more time, and then we're done for the rest of the day. So don't forget, we're going to go back. We're going to the beginning, and then we're going to show you the slides and talk about them one last time before we stop the live stream. So this area right in the middle near Oklahoma, Texas, and Louisiana, there's a severe weather possible. And wind, hail, and tornadoes all possible. I put out moderate risk, really enhanced, but I put out the moderate risk because I really think there will be a moderate risk. And then this area is slight risk, and I think you guys were already under it. We'll watch that area very closely. And the storm continues to go by, and we might extend that more down here. I have to extend the thing there. So, and tomorrow's threat, like I said, it moves up towards here in Iowa. That's gonna be the new threat. I'm gonna bring first damaging wind and hail and probably just a couple of tornadoes. I don't think it'll be as big as it will be Friday. And then here, possibly maybe a tornado threat in this area too. Again, possibly this is the same storm. It's just gonna from over here all the way to over here, and then heading into Friday, it'll be this area we're gonna be watching for enhanced. All the areas that were under like slight or any of that, they have all been upgraded. To me, I think they should be, so yeah. The Torcons, like I said, 7 out of 10, or 3 out of 10, and 2 out of 10. On the Torcon, in those three places, damaging wind, 7 out of 10, 3 out of 10, and 4 out of 10. And then hail, 8 out of 10, 2 out of 10, 2 out of 10. I made this all myself. This was a lot of work. So yeah, it was a lot of work. Well, future radar, 12 o'clock, it's going to be down here showing red. I forgot to add some orange, and showing it's about to head out into the ocean. And it's a little wider, but I think probably not as wide as it is. And then this is 5 a.m. It actually might be already out of here by that time. But just in case, I put it on here. And 8 a.m. I knew for sure it was probably going to be out of here. So 8 a.m. it's gone. So, thank you everyone for watching. So, hope you enjoyed the live stream. This was a quick one today, but I just wanted to let you know about this. So we're going to go. So, thank you everyone for watching and stay tuned. I'm going to be upgrading the forecast and everything. Actually, let me see something before we get going. I'm going to probably upgrade it. It's 11%, but I'm going to see. I'm going to see something on here. I don't want to see that. Oh, it's the wrong one. So, let's see what the storm is right now. I want to see something. I'm just going to keep on this page for a minute. So, it's a good end to a difficult day, but the temperature's still dropping. Okay, so now it's alright, so real quick I'm going to take real quick. You guys don't see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna stop share screen. Okay, I'll talk for a couple minutes while I'm fixing some changes. I'm just gonna talk and I'm gonna fix a change. Then I'm gonna change. Going to change something and then I'll show you when I'm done what I changed. Okay, so I'm going to so I'm doing some changes here. So I'm changing some changes real quick. So that's why I have you on there. I have to do some technical changes real quick. So let's see. Made this on PowerPoint, by the way. If you want to know how I or what I did it on, that's what I did it on. PowerPoint, pretty easy. I think most people know what it is and what I did it on. When I start the stream, you always see me on PowerPoint. They won't be buying a chopper, just a chance to fly one. Okay, we have upgraded our risk. We've upgraded our risk. And then you see something again. So, and then you'll see one bed it's weakening, but that's why I put out that much. I'll show you guys in just a minute what I put out. Okay. If Mikey can get him in the seat. So, because Joe hasn't been in a birthday train of mine. And back in Buffalo, Mikey's finding out that Joe's it's got to be yours. You know what? Where's everybody? Something's gone. Where is everybody? There's a cars for mine on that side. It's like a bunch of kids, they get yelled at once. I wish I could yell at Stan. They did. When I was still send everybody home. Okay, there you go. Send everybody home. Okay, there we go. We have upgraded it. Officially, we're going to upgrade something else too. Here, I'm going to upgrade something else. Okay. Mikey Man found the perfect gift. But Joe might not be in any mood to celebrate. Is anybody in the live stream? Nope. Okay. So we have upgraded two things. Yeah. I'm going to show you guys what I upgraded. Google Hangouts. I'm using Google Hangouts, by the way. Every time you see me, I'm using Google Hangouts for it, so I'm gonna if I can find the thing I'm looking for. Slowly beginning. Okay, so something I was looking at, something else to the thing. So my forecast, I've changed it there. I put this, if you saw before, had this actually as slight risk here, right in that area, all slight risk. So now we have put the slight risk with the other slight risk both together. That's why you can see it separate, but it's actually supposed to be both together. So, and an enhanced risk in this area because there's a bigger risk, and I think it's going to weaken. Also be in this area. Actually, might be out of that area, maybe. I don't know. But I think there'll be more ingredients there. I think this risk is still the same as risk, but I think it might be over. I'm not sure. So yeah, so all this is no change. So one thing we did change, another thing we changed was this. Now it's a 4 out of 10 on 5 out of 10 on the Torcon or on the hail con. Because I've seen quite a bit of hail, but hail will be less in that area. But I think there'll still be hail, and then there's just 2% there. So those were the two things I changed. So I gotta change some more stuff. So thank you everyone for watching. I'll give you another update tomorrow. So thank you everyone for watching, I guess, and well, let's end the stream and see what happens for a little bit. I might actually change it to a high risk pens. So for watching. And wait a minute, I gotta get. Oh, sorry about that. Trying to get it. Stop.